In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on NFC on Android. So if you want to turn on the near field communication, for that what you have to do is open the settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. Now the location of the NFC in the settings will vary according to the Android device that you're using. This process will work for all the Android devices. So what you have to do is tap on the search bar that you can see in the settings interface. After you do that, what you have to do is search for NFC. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the option NFC. You can see over here right now I do not have direct option for turning on the NFC. I only have this option for NFC stack debug log. But you'll be able to find the option for NFC only. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply toggle the option on right next to the option for NFC. After you do that, you should be able to turn it on. So like this, you'll be able to turn this option. So that is how you turn on NFC on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.